Let me give you an example. In Kenya, we are currently having a robust conversation. Many people working are asking me, how is it our business to contribute so that others can find work? And the stark answer I've always given them is that it is the taxes of those who don't work that pay our salaries. And it is not too much to ask us to pay for those so that those who do not work find work. In Africa, we are now making serious moves in precisely this very direction. As matters stand, Africa contributes only 3% to world trade, even though it's home to 17% of the world's population. Intra-Africa trade presently stands at only 15%. Our continent's trading profile suggests that we have not started performing at a scale and level commensurate with our potential. And this undermines our capacity to actualize Agenda 2063 and the Sustainable Development Goals. At the same time, it is abundantly clear to all of us in this room that our continent has a vast opportunity for radically transform economic productivity, thereby creating employment on an unprecedented scale. The most visible doorway to this opportunity is continental economic integration. We are consolidating the African market through the implementation of the Africa Continental Free Trade Area to be the world's largest free trade area with a population of 1.4 billion. The objective of FCFTA is to increase intra-Africa trade to between 40% and 50% and enhance our contribution to global trade to a level commensurate with greater productivity of our population. The magnitude and frequency of devastation arising worldwide due to extreme weather events is unprecedented.